Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shauna K. Welcome. Ew. That's my husband, y'all.
Hi. Hello, everyone. It's Friday. So guess what we doing? Tequila.
Alcoholic. Anyway, calamari, and we have oysters, raw oysters, y'all. Yum. Just a little date night on a Monday, and the kids are home. We messed up, but yeah, we just grabbing a little bite and then we're making our way home. And we're at Benny the Bum. To go see the movie Sinners. From what I've been hearing rave review about it. So we're just gonna make it a little date night, and we're on our way to go see it and then grab a bite. So that's our little date night for Friday. Yeah. And this is my little fit. Yeah, don't watch the little love pouch. It's loving. It's from eating and loving what I'm eating. Period. I hate it though, because honestly, I don't need all this weight. But yeah, we're on our way to go see the movie. Hopefully it's good, and I hope it's not scary, because from what I've been told, it is a little scary. But yeah, let's see what it's given.
What do you want for starters, baby?
Yeah, my face is hella shiny.
A little bottle of Pellegrino?
Just to confirm, would you like the martini, right? The apple. Lemon drop martini, right?
Yeah,
It's a martini.
I'll do that.
Do you have espresso?
No, we don't have that. Sorry.
Love coffee espresso.
We don't have the machine for it.
No, sorry. Do you have coffee at all or no?
We have Guatemalan coffee, but it's just regular stuff.
Oh, that's fine. Guatemalan coffee is fine. Oh, please, thank you. Yeah.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
Yeah, please, cup of coffee, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm fine.
Sugar and cream?
Just sugar. That's okay.
We're at Paladar, Latin
What you just
Kitchen,
said?
and Rum Bar. Paladar, Latin Kitchen, and Rum Bar. Date night.
With me. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, it's over there. Baby, they got a lamb burger.
I think I'm gonna have my favorite.
Salmon?
Yes. They also have a ribeye.
No, lamb steak.
They also have chimichurri.
Let me see that. You got a chili? Oh, just chimichurri steak. Ooh,
And they have Caribbean grilled chicken. Oh my God, so that movie Sinner, Chef Kiss. It was so good. It was so good. But I think I'm gonna go see it one more time, because there's a part in the movie that maybe I missed something, but yeah, I'm gonna go see it over and see if I was missing something, because that part of the movie is just not adding up. So, but definitely Chef Kiss. You will love that movie. So if you guys haven't yet gone to see Sinners, make sure y'all get y'all ticket. Go and support. It was cool. Come on, baby.
Cheers, sweetie. Good Lord.
This lemon drop is lemon dropping.
I should never ordered this. Fuck me.
Shrunk?
Oh, yeah.
What's this one?
This is Haitian rum, 15-year-old.
Which one?
15-year-old rum of the. You know me.
Let me taste the olives.
They're not olives, they're cherries.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought they were olives.
Right? They're cherries. Yep. It's good, man. Can we just talk?
I look at yes.
The one with myself. The food that you're eating is like 100 more times salt than this.
So tell me what hurt my head.
This one, baby, it's not even.
What is that? What's that one? I thought it was gonna be more than that.
Good. So that's a stew with some rice on it.
Let's see.
Want to go to the creamery?
No, babe. I'm stuffed.
You're no fun.
I can't have anything more in my belly.
In your belly.
I'm very full, you know
In
what I
your
mean?
belly.
I'm very full.
In your
I'm
belly.
bloody stuff. I feel like a stuffed pig.
In
You
your
know,
belly.
You know what I mean?
In your belly.
The next day.
Oh, this is Fishtown. Oh, got you. Bloody hell. I'm definitely coming over here for the summer.
Oh, shit. You got to freaking. about a split?